Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Samsung monitor with no sound. Now here, as you can see, that you have to go into PBP, like if you wanted to run feed from DP and HDMI at the same time. Go to audio settings in that menu. Make sure that the HDMI source is selected. It will be left or right on toggle symbol. Now shut off PBP settings. Now your display should be back to normal with sound through the AUX magically. Now he thinks that the problem is rooted in the fact that there are no sound settings found in the menu except in the PBP, where most people would not even think to search to really through, if at all. Now, another thing, if you can do a firmware update on this monitor, but it is hard because there is no USB or Wi-Fi capabilities, unless it has a USB or Wi-Fi capabilities. Now, it can be useful, or it can help people with no sound on their monitor if they do these steps, but it will not work if your Samsung monitor doesn't have a built-in speakers with just a headphone out port. And that's basically it.